Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flat Thunder channel. My name's Andy, and in today's video, we're going to work on replacing this busted up cracked lens on our GoPro Hero 8. Believe it or not, I've been recording with this cracked lens probably for about 6 to 8 months now, and while it affects the performance in certain lighting conditions, it does not render the camera completely useless. Hopefully this is going to give you a much better film quality in the future. Stick with us, I'll show you what we're going to get into. Of course, it's difficult to tell, but if you watch my hand, you see that really shadowy looking line that goes across my hand? There's another one right there. That is a crack on the lens. This is one I predominantly use to record, and you can see that shiny line right about there that moves across the camera. There's a big crack here in the corner, and then a line that projects across the lens. Bunch of little pepper dots in there that you can't really see. There's just all kinds of badness going on here. So we're going to try to peel that out of there. We have a cocoa butter replacement lens. We're going to see how good this works. Inside this kit, they supposedly have everything you need. We got a wet and a dry wipe, the new glass lens, this little pry bar stick to try to get the old one out. Let's read the directions. Follow instructions. We got to go to camerabutter.com for the instructions. Checked out the instructions online, and relatively fairly simple process. At least that's what it sounds like. We're going to heat up this cracked, busted up lens. While we're doing that, we're going to use this cardboard, basically backer or cover, to help protect the rest of the camera so it doesn't get too much excess heat into it. Then we're going to use this little pry bar, pry off the old glass, clean off all the old adhesive, and plop in the new protective lens cover. Let's see if it goes as easy as what they said it would. Place that guy like that. So the goal here is to get it really warm, but not so hot that you can't touch it at all, because that's too hot. So it's going to go by feel here. Hopefully this thing comes off in one full piece. So I'm going to use this guy as a reference for thickness. Alright, we got it off there in one piece, but unfortunately it looks like there's a large portion of the stickum in there still. In our dentist tools. Alright, I think we got her all cleaned up. The trick is getting all the goo out of there. And I was using these dental tweezers and actually just scraping on the side of them instead of straight pointy most of the time to get it all out of there. Comes out of there a lot like glue when you rub it together on packing material. and slimy, sticky stuff. So I think we got her pretty good. Buzz around there a couple more times. I'm going to use this alcohol wipe on the inside of the lens here. Doesn't say to do that in the instructions, but I'm a little afraid I got sticky or dirty stuff on it. I hit it with a dry wipe. Hopefully our lens is all nice and clean now. And we'll get our new piece on. Our new glass piece. Remove the protective cover on one side. Remove the... What's happening? The film that protects it from sticking. And then we just need to take it and drop it in there. I'm going to push it and hold it for a while, a couple seconds. Our wet wipe to clean off all of the fingerprints. A dry wipe to polish it up. And ta-da! Brand new lens. Let's switch over the battery and see how much of an improvement we have on video quality. Same like we were previously, maybe a slightly different position, but let's see. Can you tell the difference? No strange line that projects and shadows across my hand. Winning! We were able to fix the camera that I normally use to record all my videos. If you didn't notice or not, in the past 6 to 8 months I've been recording with a lens that had multiple cracks in it. Here's actually the replacement lens. The corner of it's busted out and there's multiple lines, stress cracks across it. I don't even know how it would record at all. But with a heat gun, some tweezers, and this camera butter kit, this camera is back in action. Now, I will note that this probably will void your warranty if you're still under a factory warranty, but my camera is far out of warranty, and I'm just happy to have a lens that I can record on and not get a whole bunch of funky glare lines across the screen if the lighting's hitting it goofy. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave your questions and comments in that section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. We're going to be back next week with a whole lot more action and hopefully a better video for you guys. Thanks for watching, everyone.